In the first spring after the Ice Age, 7 legendary animals began building a new kingdom in the Wild Ice. To honor their legacy, they are crowned the Lords of Wild Ice. Discover Awekeys 4 metal keycaps, Wild Ice. Made from recycled metal, these keycaps have an ice-cracked texture like frozen plains, available in 5 awesome colors. The Novelties collection features ancient fossils and sceneries from Ice Age. Introducing the Lords of Wild Ice Collectibles Artisan Mystery Box. Unlock more possibilities and maybe even discover a rare version. It's a fun way to add a unique touch and excitement to your keyboard. Awekeys 4 metal keycaps, Wild Ice. Forge your step into the myth of Frozen World.